Supreme Court of India Ram Naresh vs State of UP decided on December 1, 2023 SCC Online SC 1597 Facts of the case. FIR was lodged by one Bolram alleging he along with his brother Ram Kishore were going to attend the nature's call and had reached Babulal's dhaba. He saw Virender armed with iron rod, Rumba, Rajaram, Jojendra and Ram Naresh holding lathis in their hands came out of the dhaba and shouted to kill Ram Kishore. He and his brother Ram Kishore shouted for help, but before any help could arrive, the above four persons garrotted Ram Kishore and gave brutal blows to him from lathis and iron rod. As a consequence, Ram Kishore fell down and succumbed to the injuries inflicted upon him. Trial court convicting and sentencing the appellant and other accused for life imprisonment for an offence under Section 302 read with 34 of IPC, and High Court confirmed the same. Findings of the court, where participation of the accused in a crime is proved and a common intention is also established, Section 34 IPC would come into play. To attract Section 34 IPC, it is not necessary that there must be a prior conspiracy or premeditated mind. The common intention can be formed even in the course of the incident, i.e. during the occurrence of the crime. In the case at hand, it is clearly stated in the FIR and also categorically stated by Bolram, PW, 1, that Rajaram, Ram, Naresh and Jojendra had lathis in their hands and Virender had iron rod in his hands. Rajaram by shouting instigated all of them to kill Ram Kishore. The accused persons having cornered/garrotted Ram Kishore assaulted him with lathis and iron rod. Rajaram, Jojendra and Ram Naresh armed with lathis and Virender armed with iron rod assaulted Ram Kishore to death. The witness, PW, 1, could not be shaken in cross-examination and consistently stated that all the accused persons surrounded his brother Ram Kishore and assaulted him together. Thereafter, all of them left together. Section 34 IPC. There should be a common intention of all the co-accused persons, which means community of purpose and common design. Common intention does not mean that the co-accused persons should have engaged in any discussion or agreement so as to prepare a plan or hatch a conspiracy for committing the offense. Common intention is a psychological fact and it can be formed a minute before the actual happening of the incidents, or as stated earlier, even during the occurrence of the incidents. The submission that the appellant cannot be convicted with the aid of Section 34 IPC is bereft of merit and cannot be sustained. Accordingly, appeal sans merit and is dismissed.